In this video, I'm going to show you how to use multiple Chrome tabs simultaneously with split screen extension. So this is actually quite simple. First, what you have to do is go to Google and type in split screen for Google Chrome. Then once you've done this, you want to go to this website over here, which is from the Chrome Web Store and says split screen for Google Chrome. And when you click on it, as you can see, there's this extension. It's quite popular. It's got quite great of a rating. And over here, as you can see, it's got 300,000 users. So over here, what you want to do is press Add to Chrome and then click Add Extension. And after that, as you can see, the extension has now been added. Now, the way you actually use this extension is quite simple. You simply want to click up here on this puzzle button, and over here you will see it at the very bottom. It says split screen for Google Chrome. You can also pin it by clicking this pin button, and you'll always be able to see it up here right next to your search box. Now whenever you want to have split screen, you simply click on it, and over here, as you can see, you can select which layout you would like. So we have different layouts, as you can see. All of them will work perfectly. So over here, I'm just going to click this one, for example, and if I click it, as you can see, it opened up a new tab, and the first one is open on the left, and then the second one is open on the right. So if I were now to, for example, select a different one, let's say this one, as you can see, it opens 4 Google Chromes, and they are all in a separate space like it was on the layout. And then you can simply close them all down when you don't need them anymore, and that's pretty much it. So you can use all these as much as you want, and then just close them when you're not using them. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.